Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to remove these two nuts. You may think that why it is so difficult to remove these two nuts. So when you will rotate these two nuts, the whole assembly will rotate like this and the nut refuses to come outside. And this is the common problem in tail light or something like indicators. This problem is common. Here is the new assembly, and you can see this portion is inside this plastic, but when it becomes old or when this tail light breaks, the assembly remains inside like this, and it becomes very difficult to remove this bolt to take out the whole assembly outside. And without removing this old assembly, you can't put this new assembly, so we have to remove this one. So the first method is hold it with a cutting plier or any good monkey plier and try to open this nut from other side. But in this case it is not working. I tried, it is not working, so I am applying second method. So in this method I am going to make a small slot here cut by using a angle grinder, and here I am going to insert a screwdriver. Yeah, and now I will try to open this one. Yeah, no, it's difficult. Yeah, it's not coming again, it's not coming. No, it's not coming, it's broken, it's broken. Let's try in another one. Same thing. No, this also wasted. This metal is very soft and it is broken, so it is not coming outside by using this method. Now this time I am going to remove this soft metal part. This is useless, it is not coming outside, and I am going to remove this whole portion, and I will try to make a slot in this inner circular portion, and let's see how it reacts. So I am going to make a small slot here. Now it is looking like this, and it is having a good slot. So I'm going to try my luck here. So this time I'm going to use impact driver. By using impact driver we can open it. Yes. Here I'm using a impact driver, and let's see. Yes, it's open now. It's open. After a long struggle, this one came out. Yes, the remaining portion, yes, this one came out. So in this way you can open it, and most probably most of the time when you are making a slot here, it opens very easily, but sometime when the nut is very tight, that time it creates problem. So yeah, this also I will try one time. I will make slot here, a small slot. After that, if it will not come, I will open it by using the same method, this like. And in worst case, if even this method fails, then we have to cut this bigger diameter portion very carefully so as to save this rubber portion. And finally it will come from other side and we can install the tail light, so you can apply in your life, in your repairing work. So please like this video, share it among your friends, and please subscribe my channel. And at last, thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.